Verizon Wi-Fi extenders boost your home network by addressing dead zones and expanding coverage. They've evolved from basic Wi-Fi repeaters to advanced devices that integrate with 5G cellular technology. The flagship device is the Verizon 5G Wi-Fi Extender, model 5G CPE-NR. This device converts 5G cellular signals into Wi-Fi, providing wireless internet access. In ideal conditions, it offers speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. However, actual speeds typically range from 200 to 600 megabit per second, depending on various factors. Coverage extends up to 5,000 to 7,000 square feet per unit. The extenders use advanced technologies like beamforming and MIMO antennas for optimal signal distribution. These extenders work with Verizon's 5G home plans and are set up easily via the My Verizon app, taking just 5 to 10 minutes. Real-world performance varies by location. Urban areas with strong 5G coverage see the best results, while rural areas may experience inconsistent speeds due to network limitations. Overall, Verizon Wi-Fi extenders help eliminate dead zones and provide reliable coverage throughout your home. Real-world performance depends heavily on 5G availability. Urban apartment setups have shown speeds around 450 megabit per second, while rural homes may struggle with weaker signals, achieving only 100 megabit per second. Trends include integration with 5G, AI optimization for channel selection, and focus on security with end-to-end encryption. Experts at CNET praise the extenders for urban users, but caution rural adopters. PCMag highlights coverage in mid-sized homes but notes dependency on cellular towers. FCC reports average speeds of 400 megabit per second in covered areas. User satisfaction is high, with 82% satisfied with coverage. Expect future integration with Wi-Fi 7 and potential 6G adoption.